a really nasty cut on it. Almost don't even want to mess with that. Let's see what we can do with this one. Not all I can really do is pick a face. Try to skim it flat. Kind of got a twist to it, so that ain't gonna be easy either. Let's see what we can do here. The problem is it's not lining up on the major pith stress. So the heart check, so I'm gonna be butchering a few boards here, unfortunately. So what I did there, I made one cut, got as far as I could on that. That's like 1/4 of an inch. Came all the way down here and eyeballed it. That looks like that's maybe 3/8. So I took all the wood off that I could and got a clean face. That's just part of it. Kind of painful doing it, but you got to do it if you're going to try to get good wood. I really don't like the way this heart check is pointed. Not really what you want to see. So we'll do something different. I'll raise my toe board up a little bit. Right about there. Let's see what this one does. Wow, look at the stress that one's under. Let's see if we can help that by edging it. Actually, that one's got a good bit of white on it. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, now notice how flat this side is. Not much stress on it. Still not deep enough.
Hey Chip, you got something stuck in your teeth. You might want to get that out.
So here's the problem. This side is showing very little stress right here. This side's showing a lot of stress. Problem with it is this side is wider. So what do? Do you take, I've done everything to set this up to take wider because that bad side on the back. I'd rather have flat boards than wide boards. So this is one of those sawing decisions you have to make. You want wide, you want flat. I would rather have flat, so I'm going to saw down on this side. That's a good flat board. So the problem is my cant is fairly balanced. I'm at about 7.5 inches. And I really don't want to have to edge boards and get something less than 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is flip over and just see how bad the stress is on this direction. You can see I got like 4 good boards before I get into the juvenile core. be able to get 3 boards off this one that are laying pretty flat. So y'all out there, if y'all watching the videos, if you haven't subscribed or you haven't liked, take your finger, go down to the subscribe button, hit click. So this, I've got it rotated this way because this seems to be the obvious, seems obvious where I can try to get some boards down until I get to the pit. We'll find out. You're going to stack wood with sapwood on it. I like putting the sapwood to the inside of the stack. That way, if it starts to bow up or get crazy, it's going to be fighting the majority of the weight that's on top of it. If it's out on the edge, it's a lot easier for it to move. If these last two should start cleaning up. And they are. Now.
And look at this wood, it's gorgeous. Just staring at it here, it's got curl in it. Look at this, a few little defects, but it's beautiful wood. Even Chip seems to think it's beautiful because he's now walking over to the four-wheeler and he's gonna get in the shade.
Time to go fishing. One of my local lakes. And a little bit of southerly breeze. Should be a good day. You know, one spot I want to hit real quick is great for topwater fishing. Let's see what we can do. Thanks for visiting our sawmill. Click on the links above to see more of our videos.